Hi, boys and girls. I'm going to do a small group activity today that you could do at home. Once you pick up your packets, you're going to have some of these cubes in your packet. See these cubes? They're really good for a bunch of different things, but see, these are the cubes that you're going to have in your packet. So the first thing I'm going to do is, this could be something your parents could help you. They could write a number for you, or if you know some of your numbers, you could write them down. So I'm going to start out with this number right here. Do you know what number that is? 3, right? So I want you to take 3 cubes. See if you can count out 3 cubes. You can count them this way. 1, 2, 3. Or you could stack them up. These cubes actually stack up. So you could make them into a little tower like this. And then see, it's 1, 2, 3 cubes. So your parents could write a number for you, and then you could see if you can count that many cubes. I'm going to give you a trickier one. Ready? Do you know what number this is? What number is this? 5. You're right. That's number 5. So then you count out 5 cubes. I'm going to stack mine into a tower because I think it's easier to count. Okay, let's count out 5. Let's see. Do I have 5? Let's count them out. See if you have 5 too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I do have 5, right? All right, let me give you a really tricky number. Ready? This is a tricky one. I like this number because it has 2 circles, and I like circles. What number is this? Number 8, right? So this is a super tricky one. I'm going to give you a minute to count out 8 cubes, okay? And then we'll count them together. I'm going to give you a minute because it takes a little minute to count. Did you get all 8? I'm going to do something for you, all right? Let's see. I'm going to count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, oops, 9, right? I said 8. So what would I do? I would take one off, right? And is it okay to make mistakes? Yes, right? That's how we learn. So I made a mistake, so I took it off. And let's see if I got 8 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So I got 8, right? Okay. Now, if you have something at home called a die, right? This is called a die or dice. Some people call it dice because there's more than one, but it's a die. And if you have one in a game that you have at home, this is a really great way to do some counting and some adding. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my die and I'm going to roll it. Mine's really big. Yours is not going to be this big at home. And I got this many dots. So this can help you tell you the number because you can count the dots. Let's count them. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's the number 6. So let's see if we can count out 6. 6 of the cubes. Okay, count out 6 for me. And then we'll count them together. You ready? Let's see. Do I have 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I do have 6. Okay, now this is the tricky part. So you're going to save this one, okay? Leave that one right where it is on your table or wherever you are, okay? And then you're going to roll it again. Let's see if I roll it again. You can do this one with me. All right, what number is this? You can tell by the dots, right? It tells us how many. 1, 2. So that's 2, right? So now you're going to make, you already have your tower done. Now I need you to make a tower of 2 next to it. Okay, like this. I'll show you what I mean. See, I have 2 towers now. I have one that has 6 and one that has 2. right? And then you're going to do this. You're going to add it to your 6. So 6 plus 2 more. Okay, and then you're going to count them all out. Let's see how many 6 plus 2 is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 6 plus 2 is 8. That makes 8. So let's do it again. I'm going to take these apart. See if you can do this next one with me. Ready? I'm going to roll it again. Here I go. That's an easy one, right? What number is this? 1. So you only need 1 cube. So get 1 cube. And I'm going to roll it again. And if I get this many, how many is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4. So you have your 1 cube. And then now I need to get 4 in a tower. So I'm going to count out 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we have our 1 cube plus 4 more. Remember, you got to add your 1 to the other top of your other one. So 1 plus 4, and let's count them as how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 plus 4 is 5. Okay, this is called adding. This is something you can do with these cubes. These are really great for adding and counting. You could even sort them by color. Another thing you could do is if you don't have a die like this at home that has numbers on it, you could have your parents or whoever's home with you, grandmother, whoever's home with you, write a number down. So let's see, if a parent wrote this number down, let's see, number 2. That means you get 2 cubes. So get 2 cubes, 1, 2. 2 cubes, okay? And then they write another number for you. I'm going to write another one. Ready? What number is this? 7, right? So now you have to make another tower with 7, right? So let's make another tower with 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a big number. 7. So there's my tower of 7, and then I still have my tower of 2, right? So your parents could write the numbers for you. And then remember, you take your little tower and you put it on top. And 7 plus 2 is how many? This is a long one. You ready? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7 plus 2 equals 9. That's a big one. One more thing I want to show you with these cubes, boys and girls, is patterns. A pattern is something that repeats. So I'll show you what I mean by a pattern. Okay, I'm going to do a pattern for you. And then I want to see if you know what comes next. And then you could make these at home. So I have this pattern right here. See how it repeats? It's the same thing over and over again. So it goes brown, blue, brown, blue, brown. What would come next? You're right, blue, right? Blue. So then I could add a blue one on it. And then after blue would come what? You're right, brown, right? So that's a pattern. Brown, blue, brown, blue, brown, blue. So you could make a pattern with your cubes. Or I could do an even trickier one. I'll do one more. Okay, this is going to be a tricky one. Let's see if you know what comes next. Okay. It's going to be blue, blue, black, black, blue, blue, black, black. See my pattern? Blue, blue, black, black. Blue, blue, black, black. What would come next? You're right, blue. Blue, blue, right? 2 blues, and then what would come after the 2 blues? A black one. And then what comes after the black one? black again, right? Blue, blue, black, black, blue, blue, black, black. So you could make patterns with these. Or another thing you could do, instead of just counting and adding, you could also make patterns with them. Okay, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.